Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing accessibility for people with disabilities? Well, let's delve into that. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a rapidly evolving field that's enhancing accessibility in unprecedented ways. It's all about creating intelligent machines that can perform tasks that usually require human intelligence. This opens up a world of possibilities for assistive technologies. These AI-based assistive technologies are vital in promoting digital inclusion. They're transforming the way people with disabilities interact with the digital world, breaking down barriers and opening up new avenues of communication, learning, and even working. Imagine a world where visual or auditory impairments don't hinder your ability to surf the web or use a smartphone. That's the power of AI. It's changing the narrative for people with disabilities, allowing them to engage with the world in ways that were once impossible. AI, thus, is not just about robots and futuristic tech. It's a tool for creating a more inclusive world. Now, let's explore some real-life examples of how AI is enhancing accessibility. AI is not just a buzzword, it's a tool that's making a tangible difference in the lives of many, particularly those with disabilities. Let's delve into some case studies that showcase the transformative power of AI in assistive technologies. Imagine having a speech impairment that makes communicating a challenge. Now imagine a device that uses AI-based speech recognition to interpret your unique speech patterns, turning them into understandable language. This isn't science fiction. It's the reality for many people today, thanks to advancements in AI. Now, consider the amputees who've regained mobility and control with the help of AI-powered prosthetic limbs. These cutting-edge devices use machine learning to adapt to the user's movements and habits, providing a level of function and freedom that conventional prosthetics simply can't match. For those with visual impairments, AI is proving to be an invaluable aid. Innovative tools use AI to interpret visual data, providing auditory feedback to help individuals navigate their surroundings. Picture a smartphone app that can describe a room, identify objects, or even read out text from a sign, all powered by AI. These examples illustrate the transformative power of AI in breaking down barriers and opening up new possibilities for people with disabilities. The potential of AI extends beyond convenience and efficiency. It's a catalyst for inclusion, empowerment, and independence. And that, in essence, is the real-world impact of AI on accessibility. So, what does all of this mean for the future of accessibility? We've seen AI's pivotal role in promoting digital inclusion, with real-world examples of AI-based assistive technologies transforming lives. From text-to-speech software that aids visually impaired individuals, to predictive text technology making communication easier for those with motor impairments, AI is undeniably transforming accessibility. It's not just about technological advancement, but about widening the circle of inclusion. With AI, we're not just envisioning a more technologically advanced future, we're working towards a more inclusive one.